I'm Sarah. I'm a psychotherapist and hypnotherapist, and I chose to have a session with Felix because I was suffering from some really unpleasant symptoms while I was waiting to get my breast implants removed. Now, I'd had them for about 7 years, and I developed a really painful capsule around the outside of the implant that had left me in excruciating pain. It was pressing on my chest cavity, on my ribs. I had even lost the feeling in my hands, in my fingers, because of the compression on a nerve that ran through my shoulder. So I had a lot of physical symptoms that had been really bothering me, and I was on a waiting list for surgery to get the implants removed. And in the meantime, because I was aware of the possibility that this type of breast implant could also lead to a very rare type of cancer, of lymphatic cancer, there was a lot of emotional stress. There was a lot of thinking about the breast implants and a lot of pain, but also a kind of emotional stress and pressure of worrying about the surgery that was coming up, and also the impact that it would have on my body, because the doctors told me that I was going to be completely deformed by taking out the breast implants, but they really had to come out. So what was so great about seeing Felix was that I immediately felt relaxed and at ease discussing these really personal things about my body and about my breasts. And I found it very easy to open up to him about just how worried I was, not just for my physical health, but for my, how my body was going to look afterwards, and my body image, and how much this had been affecting me on an emotional level. So he really put me at ease, and I felt very comfortable talking about this with him. In the actual session, I remember some things that surprised me was how much time we spent with my eyes open. So how much time we spent just talking about things. Like, I know as a hypnotherapist myself that it can seem like you're talking about things, but that is actually part of the therapy and the transformation. So I remember talking about getting into agreement with my conscious mind, my subconscious mind, like different parts of me that were kind of almost battling. There was like this internal battle between me wanting to prioritize my health and wellness, and me as a woman, worrying about my body image, and I think kind of natural things, right, for women to worry about. So there's kind of this internal struggle. So I remember in the session kind of bringing these parts of me that were in conflict together and feeling so much more at peace with the decision that I made to have the surgery. The actual hypnotic part of the session, so the traditional hypnotic part, I guess, when my eyes were closed, I don't remember too much about that. I felt very at ease. I was very relaxed. Felix's style he's super professional, but his style is very friendly and just makes you feel so at ease. And I think for me, it was so important that I trusted the person that was going to help me deal with this and move through this. So after we finished the session, it was just incredible. I remember that very day, I remember walking down the street feeling completely different about my body, feeling even my posture. I remember putting my shoulders back. The physical pain had gone. I mean, I think hypnosis is amazing, but I was still shocked that the physical pain was just gone. So there was no pain. I could breathe deeper. My shoulder was feeling much more relaxed. My posture was better. And in those months leading up to the surgery to remove the breast implants, I felt the most empowered I had felt for the whole 7 years since I first had the surgery. I really felt much more confident in my body. I was still keen to get the breast implants removed, but I remember feeling just so amazing and so confident. And I used to only wear clothes that came right up to my neck. I used to wear a lot of roll necks, and I even changed the clothes that I was wearing after that session. I just felt more relaxed and more me. Just really felt more at peace and at ease with myself and who I am. So the physical pain was was amazing that that went away, and then I had the surgery. And during our session, Felix also looked further down ahead to when I was going to be having the surgery and helped me get prepared and in the right frame of mind for my body and my mind to handle that surgery. And the surgery was incredible. My healing, my recovery was incredible. And I credit a lot of that to the session that I had with Felix and the way that he really helped me integrate all of the conflict that I was going through. So not just, the physical element and getting rid of the pain, but the emotional element of building up to such a huge change in my life. So that was just amazing. And I'm very grateful. Thank you very much, Felix.